Alright, in this video we're going to look at the Euclidean directions. In the last video we have seen Euclidean distance. So what Euclidean distance does is it shows us the distance from the nearest file or point to the pixels that are going to be generated, and we can also adjust the pixel size. Now in Euclidean direction, what is it going to show us? It is going to show us the distance in direction wise. Okay, so let's do the Euclidean direction for the roads shapefile here. So we have the Euclidean direction. There we go, just above Euclidean distance. Here I'm going to give the input, what is going to be BGD roads, and as the same as with Euclidean distance, you can change the cell size from here. I'm not changing it as before, so click on OK. Here we have the Euclidean direction. So what the direction shows is we have the flat, and the red color is showing north 0 to 22.5. okay, so if I do a right click on that, then go to properties, here we go, we have the cell size given here, then we have the columns and rows, generic bits, metadata, no metadata there, source. Alright, so here what the red color is representing, that if, for example, if you are somewhere here, then you need to go towards the north direction from a distance of 0 to 22.5 to reach the nearest road. Okay, so this is what it is showing us. And if you are standing somewhere around this this yellowish area, somewhere around here, then it means that to reach the nearest road you need to go east from about 67.5 to 112.5. okay, so that's the distance you need to cross, the distance range and the direction you should go. And the green is for southeast, this one is for south, this color is for southwest, and the deep blue is for west or indigo. I'm really not good with the color names. Okay, then you have what you call this cyan maybe, or pink, which is representing the northwest direction, and the distance as well. So that is what the Euclidean direction does. Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you and you got to learn something new, and as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.